Hey everyone, Sheldon here, and I'm going to be painting the paper single shot pistol today. So I have the side plate and then the rest of the gun here along with the hammer and the trigger. So basically I'm just going to paint it with some Rust-Oleum paint plus primer. It's matte black and it bonds to plastic, which is probably going to work better because the whole thing is covered with super glue. So that's plastic. I'm going to start off with these, and I need to take out this little pin here so I don't get paint on that, and also these pins. Alright, sorry about the shadows, by the way. It's actually really early in the morning, so sunlight is pretty skewed. Alright, while those are drying, I'm going to paint this. Now I had to tape it like this because I have to get paint on the inside right here. That's the only part on the inside that the paint needs to be on. So it can't be in here because that'll just mess with the tolerances and stuff, but here we go. Alright, now the side plate. You can see I have the grips covered with tape too, so they don't get paint on them. I have to make sure I get these little white sides beneath the grip. Alright, so I can take this tape off. It's had a little bit of time to dry, and I'm just gonna put the other side plate on here once this is completely dry and then paint over that. Now you can see these little pieces there that are gonna match the same height as the side plate. That's why I have to do it like that, so paint gets on there, and also on this side. I'm losing all my stuff here. I'm going to take this off. Look at that. Perfect template. So it should just fit over like that. Yep. So now I just need to put a little bit more tape to make sure it doesn't get on the inside. Alright, it's taped off. I'm just going to cover those and then the barrel on the other side, also the top. Alright, so it's been about 24 hours. I'm just going to peel the tape off the grips. And if a little bit of paint got on there, it's fine. I'm just gonna sand it off. So let's see what it looks like. There's one. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Alright, just putting the screws back in. And these screws have been in here the whole time. Basically, I just glued the grips to the actual frame because I was trying to find other ways to secure them, and I just figured this is the best way because everything still disassembles the exact same way. Okay, now I just need this little leaf spring attached. Okay, so that's in there. Everything works still. You can also see this pin right there. I totally lost the other one, so I had to just put one in there. I still have to trim it down to the right size, but yeah, everything still functions nicely. It's still a little sticky on the surface, but you know, probably in a couple more days this will be completely dry. But I think the surface looks pretty okay. There are a few areas I could have done better. It's kind of hard to see all the imperfections when you're actually working on it, but after you paint it, you can see all your little mistakes. Like the top right there, you can see, you know, if I really wanted to, I could just sand that off and repolish it and then paint it again. We'll see. So yeah, I think this looks pretty good. I think it turned out nicely. So just let me know what you guys think. I think the grips turned out pretty nice. This one at least. This other one looks a little weird because I used a Cheez-It box, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. They're nice and shiny because I polished them. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, you guys. It's about time this project got painted. Like I said, I think it turned out pretty nicely. It's not perfect, but you know, it's good enough. I'm probably going to make a tutorial on this project because you guys have actually been asking for that. And now I have a blueprint and everything for it, like a working one. The one I made before, it was okay, but I basically modified it to turn into this. So the new blueprint would be this. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on this project. It's a pretty simple build. It's something nice to do when you're just getting started with building stuff out of paper. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below or in a personal message, and be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see all the latest updates, and I'll see you guys in the next video.